All right, guys, I wanted to talk about these insoles. These things are absolutely amazing. Part of the reason they're amazing is they're going to work for the average man or woman. So they're going to fit men's 7 to 11 size feet and women's 2 to 8 size feet. And you can see they show you exactly where to cut. So all you do based on your shoe size is you just follow that line and you trim it all the way around to the size of your shoe, and then it'll easily fit in there. And I can tell you, these are nice and padded, very soft, gonna give you some good support. I've got a bunch of them here. And dude, these things are really nice. I highly recommend it. The great thing about these is you could get them for your whole family, not just for you, and you can trim them to the right size. So, um, based on this, I would easily get at least a 6 pack, at least 6 pair, if not more, because you're going to be using these a lot, especially if you have multiple pair of shoes. Don't be switching them out. Just get a pair. Just get a pair for every pair of shoes that your family owns, and you're going to be good to go. Get them, baby.